In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Ghost Pepper here in Grow Garden 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This pack may normally cost Robux, so getting it for free can take a lot longer, but it kind of depends on what the game currently has available in shop. And I'll show you exactly what I mean in 1 second. Let me collect the rest of this stuff real quick. Now, the first thing you can do is you can check the codes. If there's any working codes, I have a full video breaking them down. You can use those to get a head start immediately because some codes give you free seeds, items, or rewards that can help you unlock stuff. The second thing is by teleporting over to the seed shop, interacting with it, scrolling down, and as you can see at the very bottom, you're going to have ghost peppers. Now, this changes pretty frequently, so go through, make sure it's actually available for you as well. Now, the final thing that you could do is open up the shop and then scroll down and you'll see the ghost pepper pack with a ghost pepper in here. Now, essentially, you have to roll over and over and over for a chance to go ahead and get these. Obviously, the ghost peppers are absolutely phenomenal, but you go through and you just purchase these rolls for a certain amount of money. For example, I'll just get one roll real quickly for the sake of this video. Purchase it for some Robux. Once you actually do have it in your inventory, it'll look something like this. You just got to select it, throw it down on the ground just like so, tap it for some luck. Hopefully we go ahead and get some luck real quickly, and it looks like we got a baby cactus instead. How unfortunate. But yeah, from here, once you open these up, you can go place them down over in an area, something like this, right? And that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.